Mastering English phrases. Understanding, keep silent. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you navigate the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used phrase, keep silent. Understanding this phrase is key to improving your conversational skills. So let's explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting nuances. Keep silent is a straightforward directive. It combines two words, keep, which means to continue or maintain a particular action or condition, and silent, which means the absence of sound, especially speaking. So, when put together, keep silent means to continue being quiet or to refrain from making noise. This phrase is often used in situations where quietness is required or respectful. Informal situations. In formal settings like a library, a lecture, or during a solemn ceremony, keep silent is used to remind or instruct people to maintain a quiet environment. It's a polite yet firm way of ensuring that silence is observed. In everyday conversations, in daily life, you might hear keep silent in various contexts. For instance, someone might say, during the movie, we should keep silent, emphasizing the need for quiet to avoid disturbing others. In figurative speech, keep silent can also be used figuratively. It might mean not disclosing information or choosing not to express an opinion. For example, she decided to keep silent about her plans, implies she chose not to share her plans with others. In different cultures, the expectation of when to keep silent can vary. In some cultures, maintaining silence is a sign of respect, while in others, it might be interpreted as agreement or disinterest. It's important to be aware of these nuances, especially in intercultural communication. While keep silent is a clear and effective phrase, there are several alternatives that can be used depending on the context. Be quiet, more informal and commonly used among friends or in casual settings. Maintain silence, a bit more formal, often used in official instructions. Don't speak, direct and to the point, but can be perceived as harsh if not used carefully. Understanding and using the phrase, keep silent, correctly can enhance your English communication skills significantly. We hope this video has shed light on this common yet important phrase. Thanks for watching, and remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts will help you master them. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.